It's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys an awesome off-road trailer we just got in stock. This is a 2016 Cargo Craft 7x16 off-road trailer. This one's in a silver blackout, very pretty in person. This one's got tons of features on it. We'll walk you guys through it. All black diamond plate rock art along the bottom as well as up the corners. You also have a gen platform here right on the front and a heavy-duty coupler. Side door does come with an RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection on that side door. Gutter as well, and then you've got an LED spot, so you'll have some great light off the side of this trailer. Again, this one's equipped with a 30-amp power package, so you've got an exterior GFI outlet right here. Two 3,500-pound torsion axles with brakes, 32-inch mud terrain tires, and black American racing wheels. Also a black diamond plate fender. The torsion axles and bigger tires and wheels allow us to get off-road, take these trailers further than what we could take our standard trailer and have some fun. You also have LED strip lights on the exterior as well, so great exterior lighting. You have a light on every side of the trailer. This one also has an aluminum roof rack on it with a ladder right there to access that roof rack, so you've got some exterior storage on top. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the rear. This one is equipped with a rear ramp door, spring assist close. You have the diamond plate wrap around your rear door jamb, a gutter, an LED spotlight, and then this one's also equipped with a rear deck option, so you guys can pull this ramp door down to parallel, put the stabilizer jacks down, and have the deck space. Gives you guys some exterior place to hang out, have a barbecue, sit, whatever. Just extend the size of the trailer for you guys. LED strip taillights. Let's pop around here on the side. We've got another LED strip light right there as well. We're gonna go to the front of the trailer again, and then we'll go on the side door. I'll show you guys the inside. Closer look at your gen platform. There's your other strip light. So again, you've got light on every side of this trailer. This trailer stock number 14313. We'll come in the side door here. Again, RV lock gives you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys with the trailer, so that's a nice feature to have. This one's fully finished out. It's beautiful inside. It's actually done in a silver aluminum. Get up in here. 6'6" interior height in this unit. Insulated walls and ceiling, and then again, you've got the beautiful silver aluminum finishes. Two 18x44 slider windows with screens, so you've got some ventilation, E-track in the walls. Then you also have great lighting options in this trailer. You've got two of your 4-foot LED tube lights, but then you also have 3 of the puck lights here on the side as well. Those light switches control your interior lights as well as your exterior lights. And again, power package, so you've got outlets throughout. Max Air roof vent as well. This one's actually open, so you guys can see. It has the bubble cover over it, like what campers have. So if you guys have that open, you don't have to worry about water coming in or ripping off the top of it if you forget to close it before you drive home. Nudo floor. We love our Nudo floor. It's a high performance, quality floor to use in trailers. It's very durable. This one's also, I love this trailer. It's got all the black trim in it as well. So you've got black trim along the ceiling to match your E-track and all along the floor. Looks like 4 D-rings. You've got 2 here at the rear. I'm going to spin around here so you guys can see the front of the trailer. 2 more D-rings right there. There is your 30-amp power box. So you guys can take that cord, port it through the floor to a generator or shore power and power up your trailer. You will have about a 5,000-pound payload capacity with this unit. This one also has an AC unit with a heat strip. So we'll have some good climate control in this unit as well. There's your AC unit. And just trying to get you guys a good shot of the inside. It's really, really cool. I like the silver. There's some more of that black trim that we were talking about. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, we'd love to earn your business as always. We're family owned and operated. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state of Colorado. We have over 150 on the ground, and you can reach us by calling 303-688-8485. You can check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We have shipping options available for you guys as well, so if you don't live near us, that's okay. We can get you your trailer. You can call us to inquire about that. And give us a call as always. We'd love to earn your business.